What is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get a dent out of my friend Paul's car. And it's not this dent. Paul, first tell the viewers what happened here.
Bought it like that.
Yep. Paul bought it just like this. But yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and pop it out. So I'm gonna let Paul film. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to pre-drill the hole a little bit. And you gotta make sure that, oh man, I lost my handle. You want to make sure that you don't hit the glass, because if you hit the glass, you could potentially break your window. So now we got this. It's got a hammer on it, and it's got a little nibble bit. So we're gonna screw this in like so. Just like this. It's gonna be really good. Give it a couple good turns. Now it's gonna come right out. Watch this. Look at that. That came right out. And then, do you think we should maybe put one right here, Paul, just to get that out?
No. Nope, that's good. Let me see if the window goes all the way.
Wait, did it go down like that before? Or no?
No, before the dent. Well, I bought it like this.
No, but did it go down like that, like after, like when it got dented? Did it go down there? Or no?
No.
Oh. Wait, so that...
It's always been like that. Since the dent, it's been going down like that.
So, I mean, honestly, it's better. We could probably do the hood if you want.
No.
No?
No.
But guys, so overall...
That's how you do it.
That's how you
plug the hole.
That's how you take the dent out. And if you want to use to plug the hole.
Putty.
Putty and gum?
Yeah.
Alright, so next thing
Play-Doh.
Next thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna putty that hole up. Let's do it. I have to use some of this. I already used it on the van project, but I guess Paul's got a Paul project that we gotta do. So, oh no, I'm gonna put a little bit on this. You don't need a lot for dent holes and stuff. Just enough to, you know, make it look a little decent. That's all you gotta do. So this right here is the perfect amount. Remember that trick that I showed you guys? You squirt the air out, put the cap on, and then you knead it. You guys hear that? That's how you knead it. So now we're gonna put this on, just a little squirter. Let's go fill the hole. I mean, it's not a big hole we're trying to cover up here. This is gonna go on real nice. So check this out. You put it on here, you fill the hole, and then you drive it by. Just like that. And this spreader is not... Actually, Paul, do you have any like old gift cards or anything?
Yep.
Okay, that's what we're gonna need to spread this. Cause that's...
Alright, hold on.
So Paul's gone to get his gift cards. But we don't have a lot of time, Paul.
How come?
Cause this stuff, with a lot of hardener and stuff like that, is gonna dry quick.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Would this work?
Yep. Alright, it gives me the Kiani pouch.
Got no more gift cards.
Oh man, you guys. The main concern is the hole. And then, Paul, I think we got it.
Got it?
So there you go,
You
guys.
don't want to scrape a little bit?
No, Paul, I'm not gonna ruin your ID card over. I would rather have this door ruined than ruin that ID card.
What?
Yeah, because it's good, but if you guys want to look at the side view, the dent is gone. So that's, and then Paul's just gonna have to spray it black or sand it or.
Oh my gosh, dude.
What?
I'm ruining the ID over that.
Do you want to sand it, or do you want to? Paul's looking for his crappy cards, but he realized he don't have a crappy card. Uh-oh. He's doing it. This is 30 plus years doing auto body. He's been doing it since the war. Oh man. Paul, if you had your time back, would you still do this?
No.
What? How come?
Cause it's not gonna even look better than the dent. Now it's gonna be like a big fucking cherry fucking fart all over the fucking door.
No, it won't, because you're gonna spray it black, aren't you?
Yeah.
Well, that's how you have to do it. I don't know. That's how I do it.
What, spray black?
Yeah. Like no sand, just black spray.
Just black spray?
Paul, is everybody gonna be happy when they see that?
Who?
Anybody? Like, look at that, Paul.
Did you do that?
No, it was good until, like, I don't even think the holes get affected now. Oh, Paul. Okay. Well, that's the finished product. Unless, do you want to wipe off?
Do you think I should put that filled more?
I think yes, for the hole. Personally, yes, because it looks like it's. Yeah,
So
that's.
that I can sand it later?
Sand it, but I'd spray it black for now until you get sandpaper.
How many grit?
I'd probably say 2,000.
What do you think? No? Like that right there, right?
Yep, that's perfect. Want me to get the spray?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna get the spray, and then we're doing this in real time pretty much. We get the spray, we put the spray on the body fill, and then you freehand it. This is what you guys always want to see to use for the body work. Always use this brand. It's a good brand. And Paul's even brought out the old beach towel on this. And it's almost like he's scrubbing so hard right now that he's almost making another dent. I'm just playing. Ready?
Yep. You give it a shot. You give it the nightshade.
Alright, I'm gonna give it the old shot of Rooney. Actually, can you hold that? I don't wanna like... Perfect, ready? So now you wanna give it the old test squirt. You wanna give it... You wanna give it the old test squirt to make sure your sprayer's working, and then you wanna just pass. And then I'd say that's about a coat and a half. And then you want to put on one more coat. And look at that. What would you rather have? Dent or hole? I'd rather have this because that's blood, sweat, and tears.
Look at this. What the hell did we fix?
I think
the window still doesn't go all the way down.
I think maybe Paul might have dented it with the cleaning process. But,
Oh shit.
but that's okay. It actually looks good.
Yeah, well, at night when you can't see it.
That's what it's all about though. HT nightshade. Every time. Another happy dude. Paul's really happy. Just got a girl. He just got a girlfriend. He's heading off to meet her. Don't have time to chill. Don't have time for body filler dry. Oh well. That's that. But he's always happy about that. And look what happened. Trish broke the front of her bumper. Whatever. And my mom's been wanting me to go for walks, like every day.
Okay, take care.
See you later, Paul. He's heading out, guys. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Wow, it looks so good. You can't even see that dent from here. Alright, guys. My mom wants me to walk. Ma, you want to tell them about our walking?
We started, what, 4 days ago?
Yeah, 4 days ago. I haven't
Half an hour.
missed a walk yet, and I'm doing it all for my mom.
No, you're not.
It's a charity for my mom. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for sharing. Hope you enjoyed the time. Peace!